all the dreams that Fuel Planet Drool are stored. If they're being destroyed. That's what we're going to find out. Soon, even Sharkboy and I will cease to exist.
Here, yawn.